Hello, everyone, and welcome to our podcast. My name is Alan, and I'm very happy to be here with you today. In this episode, we are going to talk about something very important in English: how to introduce yourself. This is one of the first things you learn when you start speaking English.
Hello, everyone. My name is Dina. Thank you for listening today. If you are a beginner in English, don't worry. We will speak slowly, clearly, and we will use easy words. You can listen, relax, and learn step by step.
When you meet someone for the first time, the first thing you do is introduce yourself. You say your name. You say where you are from. You talk a little about your life. This helps people know you and feel comfortable with you.
Yes, that's true. And many learners ask the same question. What should I say when I introduce myself? This is a very good question. Today, we will answer it together with examples, questions, and simple explanations.
Let's start with something very easy: your name. When I meet someone, I usually say, "Hello, my name is Alan." This sentence is simple, clear, and polite. Dina, how do you usually start?
I usually say, "Hi, my name is Dina. Nice to meet you." This is friendly and very common. Alan, let me ask you a question. When you meet someone new, do you say hello or hi?
Good question, Dina. I usually say hello in formal situations like work or school. I say hi with friends or people my age. Both are correct. It depends on the situation.
After your name, people often ask, "Where are you from?" This is a very common question. For example, I say, "I am from Egypt." Alan, where are you from?
I'm from Canada, and sometimes I add the city. I say, "I am from Canada. I live in Toronto." This gives more information, but it's still simple. Dina, do you think beginners should say many details?
No, not at the beginning. Simple is better. 1 or 2 sentences are enough. You don't need to tell your whole life story. Just the basics.
Another important part of an introduction is your job or your studies. People often ask, "What do you do?" When someone asks me this, I say, I am a designer. Short and clear.
Yes, and if you are a student, you can say, I am a student, or I study English. Many beginners feel shy about this question, but there is no right or wrong answer. You just share your situation.
Exactly. And Dina, let me ask you something. What do you do?
I am a teacher. I teach English, and I love my job. Sharing what you do helps people understand you better.
Sometimes, after name and job, people talk about hobbies. This makes the conversation friendly. I like to say, in my free time, I like reading and walking. Dina, what do you like to do?
In my free time, I like watching movies and listening to music. Talking about hobbies is nice because it helps you connect with people. Alan, do you think hobbies are important in an introduction?
Yes, I do. They show your personality. Even one hobby is enough. You don't need many words. Many beginners feel nervous when they introduce themselves. This is normal. The important thing is to speak slowly and smile. Mistakes are okay.
Yes. Don't be afraid. English is a tool. The more you practice, the better you feel. Even a short introduction is a big step.
So today we talked about how to introduce yourself in English. We talked about your name, your country, your job, and your hobbies.
Keep it simple. Speak slowly and practice every day. You are doing great.
Thank you for listening to our podcast.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.